Morning traders. So how do we trade the DOW today? Now the weekly is starting to give us another rejection bar off a diagonal level, I'm just going to adjust it slightly, being there. Okay, so starting to look like a bull channel, but yeah, we'll have to wait and see what transpires next week, I think, which will give us the confirmation of what's actually going on. But I think for now, we can safely assume that this has been a rejection off this level. Okay, let's just get rid of that. Let's just we'll highlight that as a level there. That's now our line in the sand, I think. So let's just get down to the levels that we can trade. Right, so first things first, oscillators are starting to group, haven't crossed over yet. If they do cross over a part like this, you can expect a fairly violent move to the upside, like I said yesterday. 1, 2, third rejection of the 200 EMA, playing out like this well-read fairy tale at the moment. So you can see every time it hits the exponential moving average, this is what happens. Now, let's highlight why I use the exponential and not simple. The simple would have been, we've broken the simple moving average and now we're going down. That's pretty much what the mindset of a lot of people that are trading the simple moving averages at the moment. Okay, I prefer the exponential. It gives me a little bit more confidence in price action. Okay, so we don't really have a solid bullish pattern here, a bullish reversal pattern at the moment. The only thing we've got going for us is a rejection of the 200 EMA. But what we do have, if we look on the 4 hour, is we have a potential of a reversal happening. So we've got a crossover of the 20 and 5 moving average at the moment, which is an indication of a reversal. We've had diversions here, price making new low, diversions, and quite a bit of barbed wire, but at this stage there is a high probability of a reversal. The confirmation obviously is going to be a break of this fractal level up here. And that's still quite far away, but that is the scenario at the moment. So what am I looking to do? I'm looking for longs and nothing else at the moment. So before we get to what the view is, let's just highlight what happened with the closing breakouts. The closing range. So the closing range is the last 2 hours of trade, or last 2 hour bars. This last bar is not really an hour, it's a 15-minute bar. That's the auction time on the Dow after the close. But anyway, so you're taking the last 2 bars on your chart, and a break below gives you a breakout target. So we pretty much, I mean, we're just a little bit short, but for all intents and purposes, that was hit. Okay, there was a level that lined up there as well, so that would have been your target. And then a break to the upside. Didn't hit the breakout target, but we're kind of flirting with it at the moment. So let's just move, if we can find it. There it is there. So if we just move this across now to see what we're expecting today, you can see we've already broken out. We've got through the 32.8 extension. So the ideal would be to be long on the break, which for me would have been a 12-minute bar. So this bar here that broke through was the indication that to get long. But now what I'll do is I'll wait for some kind of retracement, maybe to come and test this level, or a consolidation moving closer to the 20 moving average before getting long on this. But that is my play at the moment. So let's just get back to the hour. So what we'll be looking for is a long, and this is the most obvious target at the upside here. So from where we are now, that's a 200-point target. Okay, so that is my play at the moment. What could change that could be the scenario here. So this is a 61.8 extension retracement up of this down move. And if you look at the oscillators, they also starting to look like a reversal down. So there's two scenarios to play here. We could more upside, or we could just fail and come test this level again. Okay, so I think for me, this is the telling sign. Okay, we've got this 4-hour bar above the 20 moving average, so there is a possibility that we do come back and test this moving average before we start moving. And why I say that, if you look here, you can see we broke through the 20 with this bar downward side, and then we rallied and we rejected the 20 again before we actually started moving. Okay, and same scenario here, broke through, retraced, broke through a second time, and then moved. So we've had a breakthrough, we've come back down, and it's the second time we're breaking through the 20. Okay, so that's kind of the play I'm looking for at the moment. So I'm looking for this thing to start, the buyers to start stepping in. Okay, I'm not going to be leaving trades over the weekend, so whatever trade it is will be in and out for the day. We'll pick up any swing trades on Monday. So that's the play for me. Looking for any form of retracement, preferably to come back and test this high, and then allow us to get in for the long. Okay, hope it helps, guys, and stay safe. I'll catch up with you guys later. Enjoy the day.